Did you know that cancer is one of the leading causes of death worldwide? According to the World Health Organization, it's estimated that cancer is responsible for around 10 million deaths each year. These staggering numbers serve as a stark reminder of the urgent need to understand the factors contributing to this devastating disease. Cancer is a disease characterized by the uncontrolled growth of abnormal cells that can form tumors and disrupt normal bodily functions. It can lead to various symptoms, weakening of the immune system, and the potential for metastasis to other parts of the body. Treatment involves various approaches depending on the cancer type and stage, and early detection and prevention are crucial for improving outcomes. Today, we delve into a topic of utmost importance: foods that can cause cancer. It's essential to recognize that our dietary choices play a significant role in our well-being. By identifying and avoiding these 13 foods, you can take a proactive step towards reducing your cancer risk and embracing a healthier life. These foods can cause cancer. Avoid them completely. Number 1. Processed meats. Our journey begins with processed meats like sausages, bacon, and hot dogs. These foods often contain nitrates and nitrites, which can convert into harmful nitrosamines in our bodies. Nitrosamines are known carcinogens linked to various cancers, particularly colorectal cancer. Number 2. Sugary drinks. In the market, sugary drinks are everywhere. They are very easily available, and their availability makes us to drink them every time. These beverages are loaded with added sugars that can lead to obesity and type 2 diabetes. Excess body fat and high sugar intake are associated with an increased risk of various cancers, including breast and pancreatic cancer. Number 3. Trans fats. Trans fats, found in many fast food items and processed snacks, are double trouble. They raise bad LDL cholesterol while lowering good HDL cholesterol, contributing to heart disease. Moreover, they're associated with an elevated risk of several cancers, such as breast and colon cancer. Number 4. Excessive salt. Excessive salt consumption can increase the risk of certain types of cancer, primarily stomach cancer, by irritating the stomach lining, promoting chronic inflammation, and encouraging the formation of carcinogenic chemicals known as nitrosamines. Additionally, high salt intake can exacerbate Helicobacter pylori H. pylori infections, a recognized risk factor for stomach cancer. While the precise mechanisms behind the link between salt and cancer are not fully understood, reducing salt intake is advisable for overall health and may also contribute to lowering cancer risk. To mitigate this risk, it's recommended to limit the consumption of highly salted and processed foods, use alternative seasonings, and maintain a balanced and varied diet rich in fruits and vegetables. Number 5. Alcohol in excess. Excess alcohol consumption is a known risk factor for several cancers, including those of the mouth, throat, esophagus, liver, and breast. Limiting alcohol intake or abstaining altogether is advisable for cancer prevention. Number 6. Charred and grilled meats. Charred and grilled meats, while delicious, can form harmful compounds like heterocyclic-amines, HCAs, and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs, when cooked at high temperatures. These compounds have been linked to an increased risk of colorectal and pancreatic cancers. Number 7. Red meat. Red meat, especially when consumed in large quantities, has been associated with an elevated risk of colorectal cancer. While it's not necessary to eliminate red meat entirely, consider leaner cuts and limit your consumption. Number 8. Highly processed foods. Highly processed foods, often loaded with additives, preservatives, and artificial flavors, have raised concerns. Some additives may be carcinogenic, and the lack of fiber in processed foods can contribute to colon cancer risk. Number 9. Pickled and preserved foods. Foods that are preserved by pickling, salting, or fermenting can contain compounds like nitrites and nitrosamines, which have been associated with an increased risk of stomach and esophageal cancers. Reducing the intake of these preserved foods may help lower the risk. Number 10. Low-fiber diets. Diets low in dietary fiber, typically associated with low fruit and vegetable intake, may increase the risk of colorectal cancer. Fiber-rich foods help promote regular bowel movements and reduce the time the colon is exposed to harmful substances. Number 11. Charred and smoked foods. Grilled and smoked foods, especially meats, can raise cancer risk due to the formation of harmful compounds like HCAs and PAHs during high-temperature cooking. HCAs have been linked to cancers such as colorectal, stomach, and breast, while PAHs, including benzopyrene, can damage DNA and contribute to esophageal and other cancers. To reduce risk, marinate meats, avoid overcooking, and grill at lower temperatures. Incorporating vegetables can diversify the diet and minimize exposure to these compounds. Enjoying charred and smoked foods in moderation while maintaining a balanced diet is key to mitigating potential harm. Number 12. High-dose supplements. While vitamins and minerals are essential for health, high-dose supplements of specific nutrients, such as beta-carotene and folic acid, have been associated with an increased risk of certain cancers in some studies. It's generally recommended to meet your nutritional needs through a balanced diet, rather than relying heavily on supplements.